Let's try to explain what a degree is, what an arc minute is, what an arcsecond and a radian is. So if you have a star out here at the edge of the horizon and you're sitting right here looking out, this angle needs to be really small in order to measure that star. So I tried to draw 1 degree, but it's really hard to draw 1 degree. So let's pretend that's 1 degree. And if I was able, let me actually take this 1 degree and put it out here and blow it up. So we're going to call this 1 degree. And if this is the circumference, very poor drawing, the circumference, and I try to draw that up into 60 separate intervals. When I take 1 segment of that interval, this area right in here, that is 1 arc minute. And that's how we write 1 arc minute. So then if I take that 1 arc minute, so this is going to be 1 arc minute, and take its circumference and divide it up into 60 equal intervals, then just one of those would be what? It would be 1 arc second, and that's how you write 1 arc second. So 1 degree is equal to 60 arc minutes, which is equal to 3,600 arc seconds, because there's 60 arc seconds in 1 arc minute. So what is a radian? So a radian is basically where you have your radius, and if you were a little bug and I asked that little bug to travel along the circumference of the circle here at a distance equal to what the radius is. So let's say the radius is 3 centimeters. So the bug has to travel 3 centimeters. And then when it does, it reaches a point to where we're not going to call this an angle anymore. We're going to call it a radian. So that's 1 radian. And then if I have to go another 3 centimeters, then it will have gone 2 radians. And if I ask it to go another 3 centimeter, then it has gone, obviously, 3 radians. So if it goes out to 180 degrees, then it's actually gone 3.14 radians right here. And obviously 3.14 is pi, so pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So if you solve for r, divide both sides by pi, then r is going to equal 57.3 degrees. So this is 57.3 degrees, that's 57.3 degrees, and that's 57.3 degrees. And I think radians are helpful in the small angle formula, which we can go over some other time. So let's do a practice problem. So let's say that we have 3 arc minutes, and I'm asking you to convert that to radians. So for every arc minute, for every 60 arc minutes, there's 1 degree. 1 degree. And for every 57.3 degrees, there's 1 radian. So let's take out our handy dandy calculator here and take 3 and divide that by 60, and we get that. And then we divide that by 57.3, and we get 8.72 times 10 to the minus 4th radians. Radian is the dimensionless unit. And again, that can be helpful in the small angle formula by using tangent, which we'll go over at another time. So thank you and have a good day.